Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, full speed collision warning, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, select terrain system, panoramic sunroof, rear DVD entertainment center, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P7965.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.